This is on a TV in the house, right under the deer heads.
It's not controlled right for some reason.
So this is away just a little bit behind the house, and he's got a he's got a pole out there with the surveillance cameras on it, and Cat 5 is the only wire going out there. Or do you have power at that pole?
There's no power at that pole.
Just Cat 5.
Power over Ethernet is what it's called over the
Power over Ethernet to the pole. And then he said this is a infrared capable camera that sees all the gray bodies once the leaves drop at night, so you can watch the whole herd all year coming in and around all these woods and into the dogwoods.
Show you this.
Jeez. Set the whole place up with lenses, didn't you?
Oh yeah. There's the other direction.
Forget trail cameras, eh?
Yeah. I wish I could get the zoom to work better, but I think my hands are so dusty right now. There we go. Settle it down a little bit.
You said that was 60x high def?
This one's 30x.
30x high def zoom?
Yep.
He said he can count antler tines on bucks out in the plot. And we are right now pretty close to sunset. Yeah, you can see what are those old corn or old clover stalks?
The
Is that
yellow
what the gray
things,
is?
or the gray stuff.
Yeah.
That's actually wheat that had grown.
Jeez,
So
look at that.
this is the first year
That is pretty good.
Just planted last fall.
That's pretty good imagery right there. How far is that behind the house? Like, what's the shot down that clover plot?
It's probably 300 yards to the back corner.
Wow.
Yes.
And you can see bodies in the dogwood and willow when there's no leaves.
Yep.
Holy cow. Right at that. I thought you said 300 was to the back
No,
of the
300 is probably to that edge of the food plot.
Okay. So he just had a deer out in the plot here come out, he thinks about 300 yards from the pole where the camera is. So he's got Cat 5 from the house to the pole, which is not that far back there. So now he's doing his 30x HD zoom off this camera. And you got a bunch of them coming. You're going to spoil us rotten if you got some velvet bucks coming out
There's
there.
not. That's the problem.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, there's a velvet buck. That's the first one I've seen in days.
All right. He's getting bullied by
That's
does.
as far as I can go right there.
All right. God, that's impressive.